Today I want to talk about how you can take 12 volts and move it up to 24 volts with a step-up unit like this. Here's what happened. I put some new gauges in my car that I was given, but they come out of the truck world and these light bulbs were 24 volts. My son said go to AliExpress, because he runs a drone company, and he said buy one of these. So here's the name of it. You can pause the video and get that for yourself. And then over here I've got it, it's arrived. On the end of these two green wires I've got my 12 volt battery over there on the floor. Over here I've got my output, positive and negative. I'm holding my voltmeter. Right now it's measuring 13 volts. If I take the potentiometer here and I go for it on the little winder, it will soon rise. 13. Okay, here we go. We are winding the voltage up. I want 24. Winding it more. 22, 23, 24. And then my light bulbs are beautiful and bright, and the job is accomplished. Very cool. If you need something like this, that's how it works.